I'm Yolanda Esquivel, and I serve on the Bond Oversight Committee. I grew up here in Walla Walla Valley, and I have 4 children that have gone through the Walla Walla High School, and I have one on its way up, so it's just a great pleasure and joy to be doing something for our schools in this type of capacity. I work at Inspired Development Center. It is a Head Start ECAB early childhood program that our children that come to our program go to the Walla Walla High Schools, and so it's just a great joy to see them coming into this school and being able to be kind of part of this bond. So as my role as a Bond Oversight Committee, I will be reviewing with the group of members, the contractors, the architect, making sure expenditures are being done correctly. Just really an oversight with, along with the superintendent, to make sure that this really goes through as planned. Thank you for taking time to know about the Bond Oversight Committee, and if you have any questions, please contact the school district.